Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem at hand. You're working on a script to convert a data file from one format to another, and you're faced with the challenge of removing special characters from the column headers. The data file you're dealing with contains various units enclosed in brackets within the column names. Your goal is to simplify the column names by removing these units and brackets, leaving them with just their core names. Now, onto the solution for this problem. A neat trick you can use is to employ a regex-based approach to eliminate the brackets and their contents from the column names. By utilizing the code snippet precoded.rename columns equals lambda_x, resub r \+ x in place equals true code, you can dynamically strip away all the brackets and the text within them from the column headers. This regex pattern ensures that everything within the brackets, along with the brackets themselves, gets removed efficiently. So, implementing this code will help you achieve those simplified column names you're aiming for. In summary, by applying the regex pattern precoded.rename columns equals lambda_x, resub r \+ x in place equals true code, you can smoothly tackle the task of cleaning up the column headers in your data file. It's a concise and effective method to remove the special characters and units, leaving you with neatly formatted column names ready for further processing. With that, I hope this solution proves helpful in your data conversion endeavor. Remember to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any jokes you might have. Stay awesome!